Lucy and the Friendship Tree. Lucy loved playing in the park. One day, she discovered a beautiful tree that seemed to glow with kindness. Curious, she sat under the tree and wished for a friend. Suddenly, she heard a voice. "I can help you." Lucy looked around and saw a tiny fairy fluttering near her. "I'm Bella, the Friendship Fairy," said the fairy. Bella waved her wand, and a group of children appeared. "Let's play together," they shouted. Lucy felt her heart fill with joy as they all played games and laughed. Bella taught Lucy the magic of friendship. She explained that friends come in all shapes and sizes, and kindness brings them together. As the sun set, Bella said, "You can keep this magic by being kind and welcoming." Lucy promised to always share kindness. From that day on, the Friendship Tree became a special place where children gathered to play, share stories, and make new friends. Lucy learned that friendship is a beautiful gift and that kindness is the key to creating a loving community.